My name is Richard and I am an engineer here at 1000 Kelvin. Now, when I'm working with customers, they often ask me what is the difference between local overheating and global overheating. Let's take a look. Global overheating usually occurs due to a bottleneck in the geometry of the part. Local overheating, on the other hand, is far more intricate and usually develops on the level of the scan tracks due to short scanning vectors, for example. Now, local overheating and global overheating are also not mutually exclusive. They can occur together and influence and affect each other accordingly. Therefore, it is paramount that you have a technology which is capable of analyzing both types of overheating and correcting them too. That is exactly what we do here at 1000 Kelvin. Let me show you. With this part, you can see that we have a bottleneck in the geometry, causing a global rise in temperature, which is reflected here in the macro scale temperature plot. With this build, on the other hand, we see no obvious rise in the global macro scale temperature. However, intricate details on the level of the scan vectors have led to localized overheating. By having a deep understanding of the complex high-speed thermal challenges before you print is paramount to achieve the highest consistency and quality with the lowest number of iterations.